Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the array transform tool in a FreeCAD Sketcher workbench. As you can see that I have created a simple array transformation of this slot in a Sketcher workbench. You can create this with a Sketcher workbench, but this Sketcher workbench is inbuilt inside the part design workbench. So we will use the part design workbench to create a body, and then we will create a sketch, and we will create this simple array transformations to understand the how array transformation works in a FreeCAD Sketcher workbench. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal mechanical engineering topic, which you can read in your own language. Here is a language option. Just click on the language, it will be get translated. You can also visit my 3D model library, which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. And once you click on the tab, you will be directed to my 3D model library. This 3D model library is free to use. All you have to click on the image. You will be directed to the Google Drive, where you will get a FreeCAD part as well as 2D drawing. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page, you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings, and here you can use this drawing for your projects, or you can use this drawing to practice the 3D modeling in a FreeCAD. If you like my method of teaching, you can also support me on a ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow. You can also visit my Ko-fi shop, where I have uploaded small FreeCAD projects which you can buy at very nominal price. So your small donation will help me a lot, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So I will close this file and create a new file, and I will show you from the scratch. So here I have created a new file, and for this tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0. So you must have at least 1.0 or higher version of FreeCAD. So here first I will insert a body and on my origin plane, and I will simply select this front plane and create my sketch. Now here I will off the origin plane, and I will create a simple slot. And now I will constrain it. So let's first constrain this radius. Let's provide this 10 mm, and center to center distance, let's provide 30 mm. Let's provide the horizontal distance of 30, and let's provide the vertical distance also 30. So here you can see that our slot is fully constrained. So we have the fully constrained sketch, and now we will use the array transform tool. And array transform tool, you can find it here, and you can see that this is inactive because we have not selected the any sketch entities. So to activate this tool, press the control key, select all the entities of this slot so that the tool is active. You can also click and drag your mouse from left to right to select it, and you can see that here all the entities get selected. Or you can click and drag your mouse from right to left, and in this case the entities will be get selected. Now array transformations tool is active. We will click on it. We will keep our copies 4, and we will keep our rows 4. And now here you will see that a keyboard shortcut to increase and decrease the copies as well as for the rows. Never forget to apply the equal constraint. Now here I would prefer to array transform tool to start from my origin. So I will click on this origin point, and you can see that as I am moving my mouse position, distance is changing, and if you see that angle is also changing, which means that I am free to create my pattern as per my requirement. Distance, so provide here 120. Now press the enter one time here. Now this is the horizontal pattern. We have created the 4 copies. Now switch to the vertical. In a vertical positions, I want the distance 100 mm and angle is 90. So in this case, do not press the enter key, just click on the screen. So you can see that a pattern is created. Now the weird thing is here is that lots of constraint is showing here. Now to hide this, just click on this eye icon so that all will be get hidden. The downside of the array transformations tool is that our base slot is a fully constrained, but on the other hand the other slot which are created is not fully constrained. So that is the one of the drawback of the array transform tool, and I hope in a upcoming release of a FreeCAD this will be get fixed here, because we are seeing that the 30 degree of a freedom, which is not a good one. So to fix this issue in a temporary way, we will use the lock constraint. So now here press the control key and select everything and click on the lock. So you will see that once the constraint is applied, you can see the lock symbol here now, but still it is showing in a white color, not in a green. So there is some difficulty with the solver. So we will select one of the line and drag it, so it will turn into green. Now let's try in a bulk mode whether is work. So here I have a drag from right to left and selected this 3 slot, and now click on the lock symbol. So you can see that select one edge from the sketch. So you can see that the downside is that we cannot select in a bulk. So the only method we have is to select individual, lock it, and just drag one of the line. It is fully constrained. So here we will come out of the sketch. So this is how we can create the sketch pattern in a horizontal as well in a vertical directions with the help of a array transforms tool. Even though there are some drawbacks with the array transform tool, as we have seen that even though for pattern the pattern entities are not fully constrained with our first base slot. So here we have a did to the selecting the individual entities and lock it. So this is the temporary methods to fix this issue, but I'm not happy with this 34 degree of a freedom with the pattern options. I hope FreeCAD community will highlight this issue to the developers, and in a upcoming release of a FreeCAD we have the stable version to with this array transform tool. So this is all about this tutorial, how to use the array transform tool in a FreeCAD Sketcher workbench. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.